I get this question all the time. Devin, how do you open a faceless video with a useful answer before the full explanation starts? The rule is simple. Answer first, explain second. In the first 5 seconds, give the viewer the smallest useful takeaway. Then, use the next 10 seconds to tell them who it's for and what you're about to prove. I'd structure it like this. Quick answer, filter, roadmap. Quick answer is the value. For example, the best faceless video hook is a 1-sentence answer before your context. Filter is who this applies to. Like if your intros feel slow or you're losing people early, this is the fix. Roadmap is what happens next. Say, in the next minute, I'll show you the 3-line opener. So instead of saying today we're talking about video hooks, say the best faceless hook is answer, context, proof, and here's how to write it. That already teaches something. The beginner mistake is hiding the answer until later because it feels more dramatic. Usually it just creates friction. My checklist is, by second 5, did they learn one thing? By second 10, do they know it's for them? By second 15, do they know what payoff is coming? If you batch scripts, save a few opener templates in Satura so every draft starts with value first. That's the move.